Alright guys, good morning. So welcome back to my channel Pinoy IG. So this morning we're going to upgrade the RAM of my laptop MacBook 1181. So I have here the brand new RAM. Alright, so we are going to upgrade the laptop from 2GB to 4GB. Alright guys, so very nice. This is brand new. I am satisfied with my buy. Okay, so as you can see in the screen, it's only 2GB. So we will install this 2 RAM to upgrade the laptop to 4GB. Very nice. Okay, stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's do this. Okay, so we're going to turn off the laptop now. Alright guys, so we need these coins to unlock the battery. Right. Okay. Right, so right guys, so this is the battery. Okay. Alright guys, so we need to remove these three screws. Okay, so already remove this one. And then there is the latch, or just the lock of the memory, guys. This one. So we'll just remove the memory like this. Okay. Then remove the memory. It's the original memory. It's the original one. So guys, make sure not to touch the pins to avoid damage. Okay, here we go. This is our brand new RAM. Alright, so just install like this. Alright. Okay. Alright guys, so we already installed the new memory. Should be like that. Alright, and then we'll put back this bar, this lock. It's very important because it will freeze the memory inside. So we will tighten the screw. Just slowly, guys. Alright guys, so we already installed the bracket and tightened the screw. So this is the original RAM, and we already installed the 2GB RAM. So we will install back the battery and we will test. Alright, and then using this coin we will lock. Alright, and so it is finished. Alright, then we will see if our upgrade is successful. We will check, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Alright guys, so we have successfully upgraded our memory, guys. So see, from 2GB to 4GB. Alright guys, so just an update. Apart from that, we already successfully upgrade our RAM from 2GB to 4GB. But based on my research, we can upgrade this up to 6GB. But you need to use one 2GB and one 4GB. Alright guys, so also I have an update. See, this is the original memory, so see, the specification is 6400S. so this laptop can also support a 6400S RAM, so not only PC2 5300, because see, before I upgraded this one, this is the original one installed. So based on the research, only it will only support PC2 5300 most articles, but I was just surprised that when I checked the original ROM, see, it's 1GB 6400S, which means this laptop can also support 6400S, which is widely used, and you can purchase this one and use in tandem with a 5300S memory. Okay, check this one. Right, so focus. So this is also the original, which is 5300S, and the other one is the 6400S. So both are original installed in this laptop before I upgrade and replace it with the 4GB 5300. Alright guys, so which means this laptop is very flexible. So if you have this one, you can buy up to 6400S RAM to be used for upgrade up to the maximum of 6GB using 1 2GB and 1 4GB. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. So we successfully upgrade our laptop, right? So you can upgrade this laptop MacBook 1181 up to the maximum of 6GB. So 1 4GB and 1 2GB. So, and also from 5300S and 6400S memory frequency. So this is very flexible guys, so you can source out the RAM. So it's very nice one. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.